So, you want to learn Node video. Chill, buddy. I'll teach you how to do that crispy, catchy reverse time remapping used by many big editors like FICTIC EDITS, Node Video, and Alight Motion. Trust me, I'll teach it to you very easily. Just follow me. So watch it.
I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't
Firstly,
worry.
get your clip ready. Make sure the clip is in motion. Still clips don't have that effect. Now open Node Video and just follow me step by step.
Getting harder to stay in control, but perfection is my only goal. Have to fight it 'cause I won't go back. I'd rather see the whole world go back to black. But then I'm blinded by this light from nowhere. This blue planet with life and an atmosphere. I look closer and I can't believe what I'm seeing down there is me. What if it's me looking down on me? The world above must also be. This
While
could
exporting,
go on
it
for
may take a lot of time to export even a 1-second clip, so bear with it. It also depends on your phone's power and specs. Mine take months to render 0.001 sec clips.
My world is finally starting to take shape.
Once you have exported the clip, you are ready to go with the editing. Also, a quick tip to make it easy for other clips to understand. Do this with other clips too.
I see the stars and the planets soon
But
follow.
remember, only do
Expect
this
to
when
have
all of
the
your clips are the
universe
same
by
length or close.
tomorrow.
Now the tutorial is over, I'll come back again with another banging tutorial of your request. Till then, keep editing.